Hello everyone, I'm back with another DIY for you today. I made this really cute beehive gnome using mostly Dollar Tree items. If you would like to see how I came up with this little guy, then please keep on watching.
Will forever come to me, remedy, sanity, lay your spark upon me, all of me, say you will forever.
I decided to use this coconut cup as the gnome's body, but you can use many different things for the base. I decided to use this play construction cone as the gnome's hat. It was the perfect size and shape. You can find a pack of 2 of these in the toy section at the Dollar Tree.
Stand together when we fall, carry on, remedy, lay.
I just hot glued this Dollar Tree rope all around it. It took a total of 2 packages to fully wrap the cone and to put the handle at the top.
To me, remedy, sanity, lay your light upon me, all of me, say you will forever call to me, sanity.
You will want another package for the hole on the beehive. So I used a total of 3 jute rope packs for this project. I just cut out some jute rope, made a circle, and then hot glued it to the cone. After that, I just filled in the hole with some black paint.
Lay a spark upon me, all of me, say you will forever call to me, call to me.
Next, I decided to make little bees out of these yellow and black pom-poms. You can get a package of these at the Dollar Tree or at Walmart. Just make sure they have yellow and black in them. Then I took a black pipe cleaner and twisted it around my finger to make a curly Q shape. After that, I pushed a yellow pom-pom through the curly Q to make the bee.
People chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together as spaces in between.
To finish the little bees, I just hot glued another black pom-pom to each of them.
I'll turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free.
Then I went ahead and glued them onto the beehive hat.
But we're not like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I'd never been. Walk through this.
I then hot glued the coconut cup together for the gnome's body.
I think I lost you somewhere between 20 and 20.
Next, I cut a triangle out of my faux fur that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I hot glued it onto the coconut cup.
Constantly, 'cause you were with me through my nights, and you with shining lights, yeah. Baby, we're children.
After that, I hot glued the beehive right on top and then glued my nose right underneath.
Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. Rated as far in our lungs, so it's too hard to breathe.
I made sure to add a couple dabs of glue to the sides to hide the holes in the bead.
When I turn to
Next, I needed a yellow paint and realized I didn't have one, so I just took a cream white and added some yellow food coloring to get the perfect honey color. I then took some hot glue and made it look like it was dripping from the hole.
turning bleak, I'm still walking this road on my knees, they are ever
Once the glue was fully dried, I painted it the yellow color to make it look like honey.
for putting your faith up.
While I had the yellow paint out already, I decided to paint some beads on this beaded garland to match the gnome, and I later went through with some black as well. You can see here my son kept pulling at my garland. This is total mom life right here. I typically just edit this out, but I thought this was pretty funny and cute.
Like the other, no reason to be. Lady, this fire in our lungs, so it's too hard to breathe. Lover, I live for the day when I turn to me.
I plan on putting this gnome on my tier tray when my other bee decor comes in, but for now I'm displaying it on this Dollar Tree DIY tray that I made. I have a video on how I did it called DIY Easter Tray if you are interested.
That I built with my own two hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto.
So that is all for my Beehive Gnome tutorial for you guys. I have a summer haul and decorate video coming really soon where I'll be showing you more adorable bee decor, so definitely stick around and subscribe if you aren't already so you won't miss out on it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.
And I'll turn every wrong to